Invermere and Panorama Mountain Resort. Sitting just west of the Canadian Rockies and one of the first areas to clear of winter snow every year, we knew this would be an incredible place to take our family to ride bikes. But when we got there, we ended up getting so much more. Between the world-class bike park, immense trail networks, and the welcoming small-town atmosphere, we couldn't have asked for a better place to ride, relax, and enjoy the best of the British Columbian Kootenays. Invermere and Panorama Mountain Resort. Two incredible destinations, one amazing community.